In our second video, we are going to find the highest salary of an employee using the employee table. Let's say you are working for XYZ company and your role, your job, assigned job was to find the person name who is earning most compared to the rest of the team members. Right? So we have the sample data over here. In the first column, we have a name, and in the second column, we have the salary. And now our job is that find the highest one. So in this case, it is clear that the second person he is earning the highest income, and we have to showcase the result over here. In the real world, this table might have like some thousands of employees. So it's very much important. First, we practice on the sample data, and the same logic works whether you have like 10 rows, 10 records, or like some thousands of records. So let's jump into our SQL. So what we are going to do, so retrieve, find the employee who is earning the most or the at most, right? So I'm going to say select Rajiv as name. For example, let's say how much he's earning, 120 as salary. Okay, a union all. Let's say we have one another employee. Okay, and he's earning some 145. For example, it's a dollars per hour or like per day. Select Mahesh, and let's say this person is earning 126. Now by looking at the sample data, so it's evident that this person, the second person, he is earning the most. So I'm going to keep this using as I'm going to create a common table expression over here so that my code will look neat and good. So select start from data. Now what we have to do over here, so we really don't have to use any max functions or like complicated logics here. Okay, so what we will do, look at this second column over here. We will try to sort this one. So how I'm going to do, I'm going to sort this one in a descending way. So basically I'll keep it as like descending. So 145 comes first, and then 126, and then 120 the salary. And when I descend, when I perform the descending over here, so basically the first one, the names will be automatically adjusted, um, like this, and then I will take the first record from here. That's the logic that we are going to use. And for that, in SQL we have something called order by. So order by salary descending. So and now when I run this one, you can see this first person, second person, and third person. Because we are trying to find the person who earned the most, all we have to do, limit 1 over here, and once you click on run button over here, you can see name, salary, and everything worked fine. Sometimes what happens, for example, let's say here 120, it's a numeric number and Raju is a string. So instead of numeric number, sometimes it may come as a string like this one. So for us, we can, I mean, this is like 120, but this is string. Of course, the system never understands that this is a numerical number. It thinks it's a string. Now, you already must be knowing about this one, right? So now when you run the same one over here, still it is showing this one. But what I strongly suggest you, if in case if this is the case, we can perform um, a cast type over here, which I'm going to cover in the later of the videos on how we can convert a string format into a numerical format. Thank you for watching this video.